How to buy FastLiquidAI token. So this token came out with the symbol of FLD. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the direct account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on Mexc. So if you don't have an account on Mexc, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on Mexc to benefit from their rewards. So after you log into your account, what you need to do, just click here on the search bar and type FLD like that. So just wait a few seconds, and as you can see, select the spot, and now make sure to select the pair that have USDT. Just click on it. So now wait a few seconds to load this page to be able to buy this token. So as you can see, this is the page that you can buy this token. Hit on it, and here type the amount that you want to buy of that token like that, and now here you will be able to see how much you should pay of that token. So after that, click here on buy FLD and you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy FLD token, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.